Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We are going to be trying on a new foundation from Dior. This is the Dior Skin Forever Undercover Foundation. Now, the name to me immediately says undercover. Maybe this is really light, maybe it is very natural, but reading online, this is said to be Dior's most extreme foundation, which I don't know what kind of extreme they're talking about. I think it's the fact that it's long wear, but we're gonna just test every angle of this foundation out. So the extreme could either be that it's high pigment and full coverage, or just like the wear time. Or maybe both. I mean, wouldn't it be great if it's both, if it's like super full coverage, natural, and will wear for 24 hours if you want it to. I'm not gonna wear this for 24 hours because I have to go to bed with a clean face. Like, I can't sleep with makeup on. That is one of those things that I like never, ever do. Like, even if I'm so tired, I always wash my face. So I am gonna keep this on as long as I can, and I will do a bunch of check-ins for you guys, and we will see just how long this product wears. I have high hopes. I didn't really like I don't know if you can see my background, the Forever Skin Foundation. I'm gonna grab it. Don't judge me. Why do bodysuits never fit me? Ignore that. Now I'm embarrassed. What is the difference? What is the difference? Okay, so Dior has the Dior Skin Forever Foundation. This is a perfect makeup. It's everlasting. It's pore refining. It has sunscreen. Now, I don't like this foundation. I know, so many people do. And I think this is Jaclyn Hill's like holy grail, to the point that I have tried this over and over trying to make it work. And that is just one example of products working differently for different skin types, and how we all maybe want something just a little bit different from our products, because it looks beautiful on her, and a lot of people swear by this, but on me it just creases and I don't like it for my skin. So maybe this version, which is a water-based formula, I think that's a big difference, will work better. I don't know, I'm really excited. You get 1.3 ounces. It is $52. I know. But we're gonna try this out and see what the fuss and what the hype is. So I'm gonna scoot you guys closer, and we're gonna get straight to foundationing my very tired face. I am praying to God that this is the right shade. I have 025. It is described online as light with neutral undertones. Again, this is said to be a full coverage foundation. It's good for all skin types. They list sensitive, oily, combo, dry. Anyone can wear this. And it is a matte finish. I'm so excited. First thing I'm gonna do actually though is prime underneath my eyes. I'm gonna take my Physicians Formula little stick right here that I have been so into. This is the Cucumber and Bamboo Eye Depuffer. And then ever since doing my Ulta try on, I have been really into this Skin to Die For from Peter Thomas Roth as my primer. They do say online to use the Dior Forever primer, but that primer I actually don't like. It leaves a big white cast in my opinion. I'm just not really into it. So I'm gonna give the bottle a good shake, and then I am going to see what we have going on by putting this on my glass. Ooh, you know what? I thought it would be way more liquidy. That's pretty thick.
That's what she said.
I am going to dot my face, and I'm gonna use my Clarisonic on half the face. Ugh. And Beauty Blender on the other side. Wow, a little goes so long. Like, I can pull this over here and it's still blending. It feels really lightweight. I don't know that I'm getting the whole full coverage type of a thing, because I feel like I can clearly see all of my dots underneath the foundation. Like, I just don't think this is very full coverage. I would say it's more medium, but the finish is really nice. It's matte without being too drying. So now on the other side, I'm just gonna stamp my Beauty Blender and see what we got going on with this. Something I'm noticing right away is that if you want a more intense amount of coverage, stamping the product on with a sponge is going to give you I don't want to say more thick layer, but it is going to give you more coverage. The blendability of this product is there. Like, it really wants to blend out. It really wants to spread out everywhere. Like, I kind of have it on my eyes and under my eyes, not necessarily the way I want it to, but just because the littlest bit does go a long way. So keep that that in mind when you're pressing and blending. The Clarisonic just really dispersed the product everywhere and made it more sheer. So if you want a more sheer application, I would go with a brush. If you want a heavier, more full glam application, go with a sponge. Something I always have to check with a new foundation especially is how my concealer is going to lay on top of it. So I'm gonna take my Estee Lauder Double Wear. This concealer is so nice, you guys. I have thoroughly been enjoying this. It just sits on the skin so nicely. Like, it doesn't clump up. I really, really love it. And I'm just going to see if we can pat this in and have an even blend. I think this blended really nice. I am noticing already I have a pretty intense crease right here, which I don't know what it is about Dior foundations. They just want to crease on me. But I'm hoping once I powder everything, get the rest of my makeup done, that maybe it will set in place and might be a little different. I'm going to finish up my makeup and we will regroup. All right, you guys, this is a little bit strange because normally I will finish up my makeup and I kind of know when putting on foundation, especially, how things are gonna go. And I thought this was not gonna be as good as it is. Once I set it with powder, everything just like magically became even more uniform. Everything is really light but locked in, and I am enjoying it a ton. I wish I had put a heavier primer in my smile lines right here. That's maybe the only thing that is bugging me, but everything else is just sitting on the skin so beautifully and nicely that I'm really hopeful that this is gonna wear all day long and look killer all day long. So I'm gonna go about my normal routine. I will do check-ins and we will see just how much wear time we can get with this foundation without it getting blotchy or oily or wearing down. So I guess I'll just see you guys in a little bit, but so far it's really, really good. I did a little bit of a quick change earlier. I was wearing this. Look how cute this is, you guys. This is a duster, but it's made out of like the fuzziest material. So what you saw in the beginning of the video was this. It just got too dang hot. Like, it was the best intentions to be cozy and cute, but this thing warms up. God. Where was I? This thing warms up. It heats up so crazy. This is by Willow and Clay. I got this at Nordstrom on the sale rack. Hey. All right, you guys, I have had this foundation on for about 4 hours now. I'm hanging out in my office planning more videos because that's something I actually do several times a week. Is like, I look at the next month and I try to come up with ideas and see what I'm gonna try and all of that good stuff. But I am kind of blown away. Like, every time I wash my hands in the bathroom and I look in the mirror and I see myself like not in the most flattering of light, I'm like shocked that my makeup looks this good with 0 touch-ups and that it has stayed so nice and even. Like, that is the thing that I'm noticing the most, is it's just a very even foundation. There's no blotching, there's none of that. I think I could make it better with a different primer. Like, you definitely, if you have lines right here or areas where product kind of collects, I think you need a more intense primer underneath. But so far, I'm really, really loving this. I'm loving it. I'm gonna give you guys like a little quick tour of my office. I am not a pro decorator, so this is all kind of just thrown together. These are things that just mean a lot to me. My mom painted this. This is a handmade box, and I have some napkins in here. Oh my God, my mom got me this for Christmas. This is like such a mom gift. It's a nano banshee. It like makes a really loud noise. You put it on your keychain for like self-defense. But she gave me this with some Lithuanian tea linens. I really don't know what I'm gonna do with these yet, but they're beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I kind of keep all my special things in here. I like it in here. I have this from our cruise. This was the ship that we went on this summer, Harmony of the Seas. I have my Allure magazines when I went and bought a bunch of them because I was in the magazine. If we all remember that, a very long time ago. I was also in Better Homes and Gardens. This is a book from YouTube. Just a bunch of little things that make me happy. It's my happiness office. James!
I'm coming, baby.
You have not been in a WTF in way too long. Come here. Your opinion is needed. What do you think? I've even worked out.
You know
and
what?
It is still looking good.
This doesn't look bad. I mean, I'm looking in your camera or your phone, but you actually look much better in person than you do in the iPhone.
Thank you.
Your makeup looks like near flawless.
Thank you. I'm trying to find like some good light.
There you go. You found good light.
Oh, thanks.
But yeah, it looks fantastic.
Thanks. I really like it, you guys. I am definitely going to wear this again. I'm going to try a few different primers with it. And all in all, I'm really happy with how it wore. It is very long wear. It's lightweight. It stayed really matte. And I give it an initial thumbs up. Don't know that it's better than my Laura Mercier, but I am going to keep it in the mix because I surprisingly really love how this wore. Wow, look at my hair. I'm looking so cute right now. It's even like sweat proof. Like you can work up a sweat and it will still hold. So it passed that test too. And yeah, it was a good makeup day. All right, I'm gonna go. It's past 9 o'clock now. I need to wash my face and be done with this all. But I hope you guys are having a good one. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and watching this. And if you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and that would be great. All right, I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching.